You are watching FlipTV News, bringing you verified updates as they unfold. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. A major political realignment has taken place in Rivers State as 16 members of the State House of Assembly, led by Speaker Martin Amaewhule, have officially defected from the People's Democratic Party (PDP) to the All Progressive Congress (APC). The announcement was made during plenary on Friday, where Amaewhule cited what he described as a clear division within the PDP as a primary reason for their defection. This move significantly reshapes the political structure of the assembly. With the defection, the APC now has 17 lawmakers, while the PDP is left with 10 remaining members who have appointed Silvanus Nwankwo as a minority leader. Speaker Amaewhule, representing Obioakpo 1 constituency, said he had already notified his ward chairman of his decision to leave the PDP. He declared that joining the APC was necessary for him to support President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, whom he praised for his effort in tackling security challenges and for showing what he called love to Rivers State. During plenary, the House Leader Major Jack also raised concerns over the alleged failure of Governor Siminalayi Fubara to fully constitute the State Executive Council or appoint an Attorney General. The mass defection has now intensified existing tensions in the state political landscape, with more reactions expected in the coming days. For more verified political updates and breaking developments, keep watching FlipTV News. Like, share, and subscribe.